What the hell? Shit.
Have you ever faced this type of problem? CPU overheating. Like legit, seriously. I was like doing everything and then suddenly my computer overheats. You might be using all these type of software that eat a lot of your CPU usage, which can overheat your CPU. So how do we fix this? If you send to technician, minimum price, they will charge you around 80 to 100 minimum. And if you fix it on your own, it only costs you less than 20 ringgit. What? So let's get to it. First, what you need is your computer, and you're gonna open up your computer case. How you open is normally from behind. There's like screws where you can easily access. This type of screws, you can just twist it up like a normal screw, put it aside, and just push it like that, and it will open. It's very dusty. Okay, so now it's inside the computer. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna take out this fan. Okay, I use my hand so you can see. Alright, twist it. Okay, alright. And after you twist, you can put it aside. You need to implement the thermal paste at your CPU. There, you see, a little bit at the CPU. That's what you get for using one hand. But anyway, you need a little bit only. Now you can use something to swipe it off. Okay, just rub the thermal paste. See? Now, okay, this one you can throw away. Now, I recommend you to clean the fan. The fan looks so dusty. You can use a vacuum. Once you put your fan, you need to twist it again so that it will connect it. Now you can pasang balik the cover. Alright. And now we're going to boot it up. Okay, now the computer is turning on. As you can see, my setup is a very simple setup. I have a book, a book that I don't actually read it anymore. I use it for my monitor stand. And I have a keyboard. I'll put all these devices in the description box if you want to purchase it. And as you can see, now there is no more heating issues. It will just directly open up my windows. There you go, guys. I hope it works for you. If it doesn't, do comment or DM me on my social medias, because we can connect and I can actually teach you how. If you have any suggestion on how am I going to improve my video content, do hit me up on my social medias, and see you guys on the next video.